The Five Themes of Geography project brings together everything that you've learned so far. You will be creating a travel publication for any place in the world. In it, you will be creative with pictures and writing. So, let's go over the directions together. Your learning target for this project reads, synthesize knowledge about the five themes of geography into an artistic and written format. Now, the word synthesize means to combine a number of things into a whole. So when you create this project, you are going to be doing writing. You are going to either be creating your own graphics or pictures or finding your own to apply to each theme of geography. And you're also going to be doing your own research on whatever place you choose, okay? So that's a little bit about the word synthesize. Now, right here, it says expectations. Create a beautiful and interesting travel brochure. Maybe it's a poster. I'm calling it a publication that incorporates the five themes of geography. I am very interested in seeing the different formats for your travel publication. So here's what you do. Select one place in the world you have visited or would like to visit. This is going to be the place that you advertise. Second one, demonstrate your understanding of the five themes of geography by including pictures of your place and with each theme, and demonstrate your understanding of the five themes of geography by writing one paragraph about your place with details about each theme. And so we're going to look at the criteria below. So here we go with the criteria. Each theme must include a picture. This can be hand-drawn, cut out of magazines, copied and pasted from the internet, or you can use your own actual photographs. Each theme must include one paragraph with details about each theme. Paragraphs are going to be 5 sentences long. Location. You must include both the absolute and relative location of your place. So remember, absolute location is going to be the exact longitude and latitude. And relative location is going to be a description of other places or landmarks that is near your place that you are going to be doing your travel publication on. Second bullet, place. Include physical features like landforms, capitals, and major cities, climate, plant, and animal life. Include human features like population, housing, language, economy, customs, or beliefs. Regions. Show which region it is in. This may be a region in the state it is in or in the country it is in. It just depends on where you have chosen. Also include which continent it is on. For example, Federal Way is in the Puget Sound region of Washington State and the Northwest region of the United States. It is also located on the North American continent. So as you can see, these are all different examples of how you can explain region. Fourth one, movement. Show major forms of transportation, major imports and exports. Perhaps are there any ports like air or sea, maybe harbors? And what does communication, like movement of ideas, look like in this place? Our last theme of geography is human-environment interaction. Show how the people in the environment interact in this place. Positive interaction looks like recycling, maybe conserving resources, replanting trees, planned development with safeguards for the environment, and such. Negative interaction looks like pollution, wasting resources, cutting down trees, development with no regard to the environment, and so on. When writing about positive and negative interaction, incorporate the geographical concepts of adapting and modifying. Now, if you need help with any of this, like understanding or remembering the definitions for adapting and modifying, I encourage you to go back to the PowerPoint and look at the details in the PowerPoint. I've scrolled to the second page of this direction sheet, and here you will see that this is a rubric for your project. You are going to be graded on 4 different parts to the assignment. So this assignment is going to be worth 40 points. Now, I'm also going to have you do something called a rough draft. A rough draft, you may be starting to do those in language arts or maybe for some other kind of writing assignment in a different class, okay? So you will be turning in a rough draft and a final draft. The rough draft will be scored out of 10 points. You can earn the full 10 points by submitting a complete project. If there are any pieces missing, points will be deducted. I want you to turn in a rough draft so that you can get feedback and edit before the final project's due date. Make sure that you communicate with me if you have any questions on anything. Have fun and good luck.